Imagine this, you're 32. You just got your dream job offer, but your bank account says $42,000. You feel stuck, behind, and full of regret. And the worst part, it didn't happen overnight. It was slow, silent, and completely avoidable. Today, I'll walk you through 7 financial mistakes most people make in their 20s and how to avoid them so you can live rich, retire early, and never feel that kind of regret. Stay with me because mistake number 6, that one can bankrupt your future before you even see it coming. Mistake number 1, lifestyle creep. You get your first job, finally a paycheck. You celebrate, new phone, better apartment, eating out 4 times a week. Feels good, right? But here's the trap. Your income goes up and your expenses follow. That's called lifestyle creep, and it's the silent killer of wealth. Fast forward 5 years, you've doubled your income, but you're still broke. Why? Because your lifestyle got a raise, not your net worth. Let me ask you, if you got a $10,000 raise tomorrow, would you save it or spend it on that slightly shinier car you don't need? But even worse than lifestyle creep is the lie we tell ourselves about debt. And that brings us to mistake number 2. Mistake number 2, treating debt like a friend. It's just a credit card. I'll pay it off later. Sound familiar? Credit card companies love your 20s. You're impulsive, hopeful, and underinformed. They profit from your delay. The average 25-year-old carries over $3,000 in credit card debt. Compound that at 20% interest, and in 10 years, that's over $18,000 for pizza, sneakers, and late-night Amazon regrets. Seriously, your future self is screaming, "You paid $400 in interest for a Squishmallow?" Now, if you think debt is dangerous, wait till we talk about the money you don't see. Mistake number 3 is a thief in disguise. Mistake number 3, not tracking where your money goes. You can't control what you don't measure. Not tracking your spending is like driving blindfolded. Sure, you might be moving, but you're probably headed for a wall. When you start tracking, you realize your $6 daily coffee equals $2,000 a year. Your Uber addiction, another $3,000. You're not underpaid. You're overspending on autopilot. But even when people do track, they fall into the next trap, investing in everything except themselves. Mistake number 4, ignoring self-investment. Your 20s are your compound years, not just for money, but for skills, relationships, and mindset. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." And he made that statement after becoming a billionaire. People drop $80 on brunch without blinking, but won't spend $30 on a book or online course that could 10 times their income. Fun fact, toast doesn't appreciate in value, but your brain does. And while you're building yourself, here's one thing you should never try to build alone: your financial knowledge. Mistake no 5, not learning about money. Here's the truth school never told you. No one is coming to teach you how to build wealth. Not your teachers, not your boss, definitely not your bank. Financial literacy is your responsibility and your superpower. The average millionaire reads 2 books a month. The average broke person watches 4 hours of Netflix a night. Pick your side. And now that we've cracked the mindset, let's tackle the habit that's draining your wealth before it even begins. Mistake number 6, not saving early. I'll start saving when I earn more. That sentence has cost people millions. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. That's the magic of compounding. You invest just $100 a month starting at 22, you could retire a millionaire. Wait till 32, you'll need triple the amount to reach the same goal. Time is money. And right now, you're Netflixing your net worth away. But even if you're saving, there's one more trap that can burn it all to the ground. And that's mistake number 7. Mistake number 7, chasing quick riches crypto pumps, meme stocks, guaranteed side hustles. Sound familiar? Everyone wants to get rich fast, but wealth is built slow. Most overnight millionaires go broke within 5 years. Why? Because they skip the foundation, and anything without a foundation crumbles. Your 20s aren't for flexing, they're for building, quietly, consistently, smartly. And if you do that, you'll wake up in your 30s with options most people only dream about. So there you have it, 7 financial mistakes you must avoid in your 20s. Every one of them, a future regret in disguise. But now, you know. And with that knowledge, you hold the power to change your story. You're ready to unlock the secret weapon of the wealthy, something that quietly builds your fortune while you sleep. Subscribe to this channel, more finance idea video. Trust me, Your future self is already thanking you.